In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with African Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in africanbank.co.ca in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for African Bank. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the register button alongside the login button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the registration page. Now you can either use your ID document or your password to verify your identity. Choose either one of those, and then you will need to enter your ID number or your password number, followed by your mobile phone number. After typing in your ID number and your phone number, click on the continue button and your information will be verified. Then you will need to enter additional details regarding your personal self. And after verifying all of these details, you will be allowed to set up a username and password for your account. Simply enter your desired username and password, and then your account will be all set up. And now you can use your newly set up username and password to log in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with African Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.